Meaning of Girobank.
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 Girobank. Girobank was a British financial institution that operated from 1968 until 1990. The word giro refers to a system of money transfer through the banking system, often used for payroll or government benefits. Girobank specialized in this system by offering services such as wage and salary payments, pensions, and social security benefits. It also provided personal banking services, such as savings accounts and loans. In 1989, Girobank was acquired by Alliance and Leicester and later merged with Santander UK. The legacy of Girobank lives on through its contributions to the development of electronic money transfer systems in the UK.